Hello everyone, welcome to the Relaxode channel. Today we will talk about how to meet the criteria of the Global Talent Visa for business specialists in the field of digital technologies. The Global Talent Visa itself and its guidelines divide all applicants into two groups. These are IT specialists, that is, those specialists who are directly involved in the development of technologies, and business specialists, that is, the experts who participate and are responsible for the growth of the product itself in the market, responsible for the business direction of the development of these technologies. So, as you know, the Global Talent Visa has a total of 5 criteria. These are the mandatory criteria, which is the main criterion that all candidates must meet, as well as 4 optional criteria, of which 2 need to be selected for the case and also meet them. If we are talking about the criteria of the mandate, then it is important here whether it is international or national recognition, as a talent or as a potential talent in the field of digital technologies. What is being discussed? The topic is the 2 ways to give in, exceptional talent and exceptional promise, which represent potential talent and are the paths one can choose. For those with less than 5 years of experience in the field of digital technologies, it is possible to go through the promised track and receive fertilization, perhaps slightly easier than through the talent track. But in any case, for both of these tracks, for the criterion's mandate, the business specialist needs to prove that during the last 5 years, or slightly less if we are talking about a person with less than 5 years of experience, during this time the business specialist has already had the opportunity to participate in the development of an innovative and successful technological product, bring it to the market and obtain the first good results from the introduction of this technology to the market. In addition to participating in the development of technologically advanced products, various confirmations of the candidate's participation in the development of the technological environment, participation in conferences where you were a speaker and demonstrated your expertise, as well as receiving any awards related to the field of technology, will also be suitable for the criteria of the mandate. Another proof according to the criterion of the mandatory can be a high level of your salary. Here it is really necessary to show, firstly, either an employment contract or a job offer or bank account statements or a certificate of income tax payment where your income is shown, and then compare them with market incomes for the same position and show that your income is indeed significantly higher than the average market income. Alternatively, if they are not very high, it can actually have a detrimental effect on your application. Lastly, it is crucial to note that business experts employed in consulting or outsourcing firms that are nonetheless associated with technology are unable to fulfill the requirements of this visa and will not have the capacity to meet the obligatory criterion. Since the guidelines of technology state that consulting and outsourcing companies are not product-oriented companies, that is, companies that create their own internal technological product and deliver it to the market. Let's move on to optional criteria, and the first one is innovation. Innovations are most often closed. With the presence of patents, that is, registered intellectual property, where the candidate is the author or co-author of a new technology that has been registered. Regrettably, among business specialists who are engaged in the development of different technological products, the individuals who authored these technologies are seldom encountered, as direct involvement in the development process is necessary in this case. Thus, the criterion of innovation for the business direction is seldom chosen, indicating its infrequent selection. Yes, in addition to patents, this criterion can also be fulfilled with the assistance of different articles, news notes indicating that this product was genuinely innovative, was the initial one on the market, was groundbreaking. But with 100% certainty, it cannot be said that these pieces of evidence will be enough, and the technical will accept them and agree to close the innovation criteria in this case. The next optional criterion is recognition. This is recognition in the tech environment, and this is all the activity that the applicant engages in outside of their main job responsibilities. It is important to emphasize once again that all this activity should be aimed at the development of the technological industry and should be directly related to technologies for the business applicant. These can be presentations at conferences, it can be mentoring within a non-profit organization. You mentor either individuals within your area of expertise in the field of technology, or you mentor startups in the technological sector. Posts can also be made on your behalf, reflecting the theme of your area of expertise and aligning with your professional knowledge, skills, and interests, or any other endeavor undertaken with the goal of fostering technological progress and innovation within a specific country's boundaries. For instance, this can also involve assessing different technological competitions or actively participating in and contributing to communities, interest clubs in the realm of technologies. The next optional criterion is contribution. Contribution to work projects within the digital product summer of companies. That is, only within companies that, I reiterate once again, create their own internal technologies and supply them to the market. And a significant portion of the revenue of this company relies specifically on profit, on the revenue generated by these technologies. It's crucial to show your contribution to each project, highlight what you did, and demonstrate that without you, this project wouldn't have happened. These can be various documents that you have worked on, such as strategies, roadmaps. These can be architectures of the entire product, in the development of which you participated. That is, you must demonstrate all the things that you have actually worked on in your day-to-day professional activities. And ultimately, the fourth optional criterion, which is not frequently encountered by business specialists or technical experts, but it is relatively straightforward to close it. This is a scientific criterion. This is your activity in the scientific field, for instance, scientific articles published in peer-reviewed journals, or it is a PhD degree. Here you need to present at least 2 pieces of evidence, for example, 2 articles or 1 article, and your research in the doctoral program. So we have considered all the criteria of the UK Global Talent Visa for Digital Technology track for business specialists. For technical specialists, criteria and evidence can be interpreted differently, and we already had a video on this topic. If you have any inquiries regarding how to meet a specific criterion or which evidence is most suitable for your case, please do not hesitate to get in touch with us for further assistance. As part of a free consultation, we will answer your questions and help you develop a strategy for your case. Goodbye. See you in the new videos.